Got one cat here on the porch, and then we got Zephyr. It's raining. At least I got two kitties. Hey, Zephyr. Won't show that. Get down there. Just sitting here. It's raining. Waiting on a private listing so I can order something. That's what I'm waiting on now. I painted my fingernails, but the colors didn't came off. Fingernail polish is not what it used to be back then. Man, we had that black fingernail polish on for a month, couldn't never get it off. But nowadays, it just, in a few days, it just rubs on off. I had to paint them again tonight. My fuzzkins is up under that chair right there, away from the rain. They done ate and stuff. They done ate and left. Well, some of them. I'm getting rained on the phone. And you're right, Zephyr. He's got some pretty feet to be a male cat. He's so pretty. Cuckoo. There's my Cuckoo. She's so pretty. She's gonna lick my fingers. Zephyr. Painted my nails like a gaudy color, red and black. Well, I had navy blue for Tabby, red and black, red, gaudy, and Tabby. So I'm gonna redo my nails. It's raining harder now here in my town. See, when it rains, a few of our cats don't leave the porch until it stops raining. Then they go out and play around. This one is one of them. Cuckoo. She don't like the rain. You're a good girl. She's our diluted Cuckoo. Go right, Cuckoo. Come back for pettings. They fight over who gets petted. Zephyr, you such a cute little boy. Cuckoo.